In this video, I will show you how to download the Accession application on the iPhone. Go to the App Store, type in Accession Communicator, download the application, once installation is complete, click on the application, allow, log in. At the bottom, log in manually. Type in reinvent. Reinvent Telecom will come up. Select that. Accept and continue. Put in your telephone number. Put in your password. Remember password. Log in. Allow the contacts. Allow microphone access. Allow use of Siri. Put in your mobile number. Continue. Go through the instructions. In here, you will then the application will come up. You click on telephone at the bottom. You're able, and a little dial on the right. You are able to make telephone calls as if you were at your desk. Thank you for watching.